So, holy shit, oh, nearly fell through the fucking box. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good whatever else it could be. I don't really don't really know where to start with this, but guess I'll just do a bit of an introduction, eh? My name is Jackson. This is one of my lovely cars, and by lovely I mean it's pretty fucked. Maybe I shouldn't start with swearing, but I don't really know how else to do this. I'm hoping that I can document myself fixing this and turning it into a drift car, because this thing probably would never be allowed back on the road. This FCRX7 is a complete shell. There is nothing in it really at all, but I really want to get this car looking like a car for next halfway. Even if I don't take it, it's a good time frame for me, because halfway hangs just happened last weekend. I'll have it looking ready to go, and I really do mean looking, because I don't know if I'll have an engine for it, just because unless the stars align and something comes up that's a steal that I just can't say no to, I don't have the money just to drop on a rotary for this at the moment. Do the underside, paint the underside, seal it, all that good stuff. Inside, same thing. I just want to get rid of how gross and grimy and pretty well disgusting it is. Yeah, a year and a half for it to be running and driving is a good goal for myself, and a year to have it looking good is something that I think I can hit, which I hope this will show. So hopefully in a year I can look back on this video and be like, fuck yeah, I've done it. I hope in that last section I kind of explained a bit about what the plan or the vision is for the timeline of everything, but I'll go on a bit more depth of this whole thing now. So it's FCRX7 1987 Series 4. Did I say Series 4 before? It's a rough car. Bought it as a shell for probably too much, but to be honest, I hate haggling. I hate changing prices. If it's a decent enough price, I'll keep it. I'll just pay for it, which I shouldn't say on the internet. But haggling, which is one thing that a car guy should be good at, I guess, to get a good deal, is just something I'm shocking at. What is it? It's painted many different colors. It's black, it's red inside, it's then black again inside. There's blue on the mirror over there. There's a bit of rust everywhere. Not crazy amounts of rust, but there is still rust in the hatch. Rust again in the hatch hole. I've got a fancy sunroof model, which a lot of people don't like, but I love myself a sunroof, even though it's not really sunroofing. It's bowed in. It needs to get replaced with a proper metal one or something like that. Door handle's missing, but it can still open. I don't know if you can see this camera. There's orange inside. Very suspect. It's right across the VIN and all the, identification parts. Alright, I'll probably start glowing, but as you can see in this engine bay, there is nothing that resembles anything that runs or spins or goes up and down or side to side or diagonally. It does have some aftermarket suspension with some camber adjustment. Maybe I will try and get them cleaned up somehow, possibly. It might not really be worth the effort though, we'll see. I don't really know what else to say for the engine bay, to be honest. The headlights are, there are headlights. There doesn't have any of the covers, no motors. What can I say? I think that about rounds it out in here, because there's not really much in here. And you'll learn about the rest of the car. There's not much anywhere else. Anyway, moving around to the inside, you can kind of see there's not much of an inside. I do have a lot of interior parts for it, like do have a dash that's not here. I have a lot of the vents and the plastics for in the car, which is handy to have because I do want a nice dash. I want a dash. Oh, there's some rust here that I didn't see before. All right, we're back. Thank you if you've made it this far in my video. I thank you if you've reached the end. I appreciate that you've come along for the journey of me explaining everything. This is my first proper project that I want to get ready for drifting. I hope this video's kind of gone together good. I think it might be a bit of a strange one, as it's the first thing I've ever tried to make. Hopefully I get more used to it as I go through the series of documenting myself, this car, and inspired racing. Have a good one. Enjoy your day, enjoy your night, enjoy your life, and I'll see you in a bit, mate. I'll see you in a bit.